doing well today. I hope you're staying safe out there and you're having a good week. Today's actually Thursday, so yeah, tomorrow's finally the weekend. I'm really excited. I'm getting ready for work, as you guys can tell. Just washed my hair, and that's actually what I wanted to talk with you guys about today. So I've been using this product or these products for probably, I'm gonna say like almost a month now. I purchased these myself. They weren't sent to me or anything. I just was simply wanting to try out a new shampoo and conditioner. My hair is interesting. It's very fine. It gets pretty oily in the summertime, though this year it actually didn't get that oily, which is kind of surprising. But normally it would get very oily in the summertime. And then the winter time, it's very dry and very staticky. And I oftentimes have to use like a mask, sometimes even on a daily basis, just because I will have so much static in my hair. And I was looking for something that was, kind of lightweight, good for my hair, something that smelled good, because I personally like when my hair smells really good. I know some people are sensitive to scents and can't use heavily fragranced or things that smell strongly, and I understand that completely. I personally really enjoy kind of smelling my hair throughout the day, it feeling fresh, clean, not being weighed down, being moisturized though at the same time. And so I was looking for something kind of along those lines. Then I found this product and I was blown away. So I've been washing my hair with it. I've kind of going between two different shampoos at the moment, just because I'm trying to use another one up as well. But I am using this a majority of the time when I wash. And when I do use it, I use both of them. And what I'm talking about is, and these are wet because I literally just took a shower, so they're like dripping wet. So I placed them here on this napkin so that they wouldn't get water everywhere. So what I'm talking about is the Hair Food Coconut Milk and Chai Spice Nourishing Shampoo and Conditioner. Now I purchased the conditioner first because I ran out of hair conditioner, and I loved the scent and the feel of my hair so much that I literally went out the very next day and bought the matching shampoo so that I can use them together so that the smell lasts in my hair extra long. So these are, I'm gonna say, about $8 each, just because in some stores here they're about $6 each, some stores they're about $8 each, so they are a little bit more on the pricey side, I guess, when it comes to drugstore shampoos and conditioners. But I wouldn't say they're as expensive as like Chi brand, or I don't know, like some of those other high-end brands you see, salon brands. But these are salon quality. That's what these definitely are. So they do have, both of them have this little gauge that lets you kind of see how much you've used up. So that's how much I've used up of the shampoo, and that's how much I've used up of the conditioner. And these are absolutely amazing. The reasons go on and on. One is the scent of this is amazing, amazing, amazing. If you don't like the scent of coconut, I don't personally think this really smells like coconut. To me, this has more of like a slightly musky, I guess I can see the coconut milk. I guess I could kind of see like there's a coconut milk scent, but it's not that like artificial coconut smell. You don't get that at all. More so than anything, I think I probably smell the chai spice. It's kind of this like musky-ish coconut milk, a little bit spicy kind of scent. It's amazing. It's amazing. Just try it. I guarantee it that you will probably like it. If you like coconut milk, at least, like the scent, and you like spices or musky kind of scents, you're gonna really like this. You're really gonna like it. So these are sulfate free, dye free, paraben free, mineral oil free. And yeah, they do have other scents, but this one was my particular favorite. I also really like the pump nozzles on these shampoos. I think these make, or shampoo and conditioner, makes it really easy when you put in your shower to just pump some into your hand, pumps out really nicely. And I really like that, just because it's so much less messy and so much easier to use. So the scent is amazing. It leaves your hair feeling amazing. The first time I even used it, I just used the conditioner, and I remember telling my husband, my hair is so soft right now. It is so soft and silky feeling and just soft. It was this unbelievably soft, silky feeling. So very much smoothing, very much, moisturizing. My hair doesn't feel like it's, been stripped of its oils or anything like that. And after I blow dry it, it's still very much a smooth, silky, just feels so wonderful. And the smell lasts throughout the day. Like literally when I'm going to bed at night, I'm still can go like this and like I can catch a whiff of the scent. And I love that because I love the scent. So I've got good ingredients, free of a lot of bad things, which is great. Price is pretty good. And it leaves my hair feeling soft, silky, just really feeling better. And I don't know if you guys remember, but a while back I did my hair and like I kind of fried it. I don't remember what brand it was I used, but it was some brand and I guess it had some bleach in it. And it fried my hair. And this honestly has, I feel like, kind of repaired my hair. My hair does not have that straw feel to it anymore. It just feels so good. Just love it. Love it. Smells really good. Makes your hair super silky. Feels like a freaking spa when you're taking a shower. And I love the bottles. I love the, I like the packaging, and I really like the pump action nozzle. So I really want to tell you guys about that. I don't typically tell you guys about things unless I really like them, and I really like this product. So I think you would really like it. If you're in the market, you're looking for a good new shampoo, conditioner, check out this brand. And if you're not crazy about this scent, try out some of their other scents. You may really like one of their other scents that they have. But anyways, just wanted to tell you guys about that. Have you tried this product out? Yeah, let me know down below. Or do you have a good shampoo conditioner recommendation? I'm always looking to try new things. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.